Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel RD Excel. Today we are going to discuss about the Format Painter, Find and Replace and Paste Special. The Format Painter in Excel is a handy tool that allows you to quickly copy the formatting such as fonts, colors, borders and more from one cell or range of cells and apply it to another cell or range of cells. It helps maintain a consistent and professional look in your Excel spreadsheets without manually formatting each cell individually. Select the cell or range of cells that have the formatting you want to copy. This will be your source. Go to Home tab and click on the Format Painter button. Your cursor will now change into a paintbrush icon. Click on the cell or range of cells where you want to apply the copied formatting. Excel will instantly apply the formatting from the source cells to the target cells. If you want to apply the same formatting to multiple non-adjacent cells or ranges, double-click the Format Painter button. This will keep the Format Painter active until you press the Escape key or click the Format Painter button again to deactivate it. Find and Replace. In Excel, Find and Replace is a powerful tool that allows you to search for specific text or values within your spreadsheet and replace them with different text or values. This feature is useful for making bulk changes to your data without manually editing each cell individually. Open the spreadsheet where you want to perform the Find and Replace operation. You can access the Find and Replace dialog box in several ways. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard or go to the Home tab and click on the Find and Select drop-down. Then select Find. In the Find and Replace dialog box, enter the text or value you want to find in the Find What field. Enter the text or value you want to replace the found text with in the Replace With field. You have two main options. Replace. Click this button to replace one instance of the found text at a time. You can choose to replace or skip each occurrence. Replace all. Click this button to replace all instances of the found text with the replacement text in one go. When you are done with the Find and Replace operation, click Close to exit the dialog box. Keep in mind that Find and Replace can save you a lot of time when you need to make consistent changes to your data, such as correcting spelling errors or updating product names throughout a large spreadsheet. It's a handy tool for data manipulation and editing in Excel. Paste Special. In Excel, Paste Special is a feature that allows you to paste copied data in various ways other than the standard paste operation. It provides you with more control over how data is pasted into a new location. Select the cells you want to copy. Right-click on the selected cells and choose Copy or press Ctrl+C to copy the cells. Select the destination cells where you want to paste the data. Right-click on the destination cells, go to the Paste Special option and select the desired paste option from the sub-menu. Formulas. It pastes only the formulas from the copied cells without the actual values or formatting. Values. This option pastes only the values from the copied cells, removing any formulas, formatting or data validation. Formats. This option copied the formatting for example fonts, colors, borders, from the source cells and applies it to the destination cells without changing their content, all using source theme. This pastes the data and formatting using the theme of the source document: add, subtract, multiply, divide. These options perform mathematical operations between the copied data and the data in the destination cells. Column width. You can use this to paste the column widths of the copied range to the destination columns. Values and number format. This combines both values and number formats from the source cells. Transpose. This option switches the rows and columns when pasting, effectively transposing the data. Skip blanks. When pasting, Excel will skip over any blank cells in the copied range and only paste non-blank cells into the destination range. At the last, click OK to perform the selected paste operation. Using Paste Special can be especially helpful when you need to manipulate data or control how data is transferred between cells. Thank you, friends.